Welcome back to Savvy Serena. Today I'm doing a makeup purge. If you look back in my old videos, I had like my makeup in a shoebox, bags that I had gotten from Ipsy, and it was all lined up with my products organized that way, and I would pull it down. That became an inconvenience when I moved here. I needed something, and I don't have a vanity anymore, or not accessible to where, because we don't have enough room for it here. So I decided to go to something a little bit better. This was a clear case that I got from the craft section at Walmart. And I wanted something that was like toolbox size or whatever. And so this gives you the toolbox effect. I like the fact that it's clear so everybody can see that this is my makeup. When you open it opens up just like a toolbox would with 3 different sections. So you got 2 at the top and then 1 at the bottom. I need to go through this because I found out something, and when I do my makeup I will be checking this as I go. And we'll see if you can see this. I don't know if my camera will pick it up. On the back of your makeup, you see this little, it's like a little pot with the lid open, and it'll say a number with an M. That's once you open whatever it is. This is eyeshadow, and that actually says 36M. Once you open your makeup, that day or that month that you open up, you have 36 months for this particular palette to use it up before it goes bad. I did not realize that that's what that little pot was for. And I always wondered, I didn't know, some of my makeup in here is old. Some of it is not labeled. This is fairly new. This is something new that they started doing. I think it's wonderful and makes our jobs as consumers easier to know how long to keep something. So I need to go through my makeup. I need to get rid of it with that in mind. And something that I've already gotten rid of that I'm definitely going to get rid of, and this is my beauty blender. I watch a dermatologist here on YouTube called, she's Dr. Dray, I think. Yeah, Dr. Dray. She recently did makeup brushes and beauty blenders and tested them for bacteria. She found out that these little sponges hold more bacteria than our makeup brushes. When I seen that in the video, I turned around and was like, okay, I'm not using this anymore. I used to use it wet, and I'd bring it out, do it like you're supposed to do it. I know some people use it dry. I'm scared this thing is full of bacteria now, and because of it, I'm not going to be using this anymore. She said that if you notice acne on your face, it's because of your beauty blender. Or your makeup brushes if you start breaking out. My makeup brushes are pretty clean, and this was clean. I used it once or twice after she said that, and I haven't used it since. Today I'm getting rid of it. But I'm going to go through all this, and I'm going to get rid of some of my makeup. All the stuff I'm getting rid of. Not that much, but it's considerable. Not bad. So I got a considerable amount of stuff. Not a whole lot, but, you know, quite a bit. And now I've got in here what I'm going to use. I tell you, I'm really disappointed and I'm debating on this one. I haven't used this but a couple of times, and on the back of it, it said 6 months. 6 months for this little thing of eyeshadow. Seriously? I'm going to hold on to it longer because I haven't seen any ill effects of it. And it's the only color I've got like that now, because the other one is just, this was my other one, which was a baked eyeshadow, and that's almost complete. It's a mineral effect baked eyeshadow, and it's almost completely gone. So I don't want to get rid of that one. That blew me away. I couldn't believe it said that. I was like, oh, you're kidding me. I also noticed that one of the, I got this in an Ipsy bag mascara, and the pot on the back of this says 9 months. So are we seriously supposed to change our mascara out 9 months? You know, knowing this, if I had a bigger collection than what I do, which I don't, I try to keep it down to bare minimals. Eyeshadows I like to have a variety of, depending on what I'm wearing. But the rest of it, I want to move through it pretty quickly. I don't think I'm going to buy multiple or buy a lot of makeup again, knowing that these are the guidelines, because I don't want to break out. I don't want to get acne. I don't want to get some kind of bacteria on my skin because of, old makeup. This is crazy. I can't believe how quick this went out. I've got this e.l.f. brush cleaner that I clean my brushes daily with, and I'm trying to get better at cleaning them on a more regular basis. So I try to do these like every couple of weeks now. Well, let me show you what I got. I got this little makeup stand. I hope y'all can see it. That you can put your brushes into, and they'll hold them after you wash them. And I was leaving my brushes in here. And once they're dried, I was pulling them out. I noticed I don't use these two brushes. I'll probably get rid of those as well. But it's a nifty little thing. They set them upside down and you let them dry. And I just leave this on my dresser, and the next day I pull them up from this and use them. But these two I haven't used at all, which tells me I gotta get rid of them. Here's my video. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Now I'm going to hopefully use this makeup up before I go and buy more. Y'all come back now. You hear?